Hindi. Ayan na. Bilisan mo. Bago ayan na. Bilangin mo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1,000,000.
Uy.
Ay. Talaga. Good morning, Dad. Hmm. 20 years later.
I hate you. I hate you.
Mabuhos pa yan. Magiging 30 years later.
You sound like a dying pig.
Scoop it. Hindi, I mean, yan, ganyan.
Hey!
Oh, I will hold. 2 hands mo na.
Matatay ka.
Maui, 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 Maui. Oh, yan na. Papunta na sa tatay mo. Oh, I'm helping you na. Oh, mabuhos.
If you're until here, look what I'm gonna do. Not spill it. Do something funny. Oh. Why are they jumping? Jumping. Why they're jumping?
5 little monkeys. Hala. Magnet yarn. Good morning, Dad. Mhm.
Sabi ni Dad. The jumping.
Ayan na. Wait lang, kakalat pa lalo. Ay, naku. Ayan na, Jaden! Papunta na sa'yo. Ayan na.
20 years later.
Hold ko.
Give it to me.
Yan, very good na isip mo. Yan, that's better.
Wow, the hulog.
Kaya mo yan.
Why are you even pushing it?
It's because of the electric fan, bro.
Then my mom is saying that
It's alright. Yan, look. Ayan na, bro. Pumupunta sa'yo. Lower mo yung cup. Yan. Yan. Then.
you push them. Try to push them in. Gather with
10,000 years later. Ayan na. Bilis. Bebe, ayan na. Ayan na. Oh. Oh, it's the wind.
Take the electric fan.
Hmm.
9,000 years later.
Ayan na.
I mean 900,000 years later.
Ayan na. Almost done.
Wow. Oh, may nahulog.
Ilan na lang yan, ah?
Ay, madami pa. dami pa sa school.
Sa sahig. Let me check the sahig, the sahig.
Ay, ma!
Gising na ang tatay. Ayan na, lagot ka. Let me check.
The one sa floor.
Let me check. Saan ba galing yan? Ito po, sa kilikili ng tatay mo. Saan ba galing to, bro? Saan galing yan, Jaden?
Nowhere.
Oh, ang dami.
What the heck?